How to use Google Voice on multiple devices. First of all, open the Google Voice app on your mobile device. Sign in with your Google account and you will have access to all your calls, messages and voicemails. You can make calls, send text and check voicemails directly from your phone. You can also link your mobile number to forward calls if needed. Next, use Google Voice on your desktop by visiting voice.google.com. Sign in with the same Google account you used on your mobile device. Here you can make calls, send messages, and manage your accounts just like on your phone. Everything syncs automatically between devices, so any changes you make on one device appear on the other. Now you know how to use Google Voice on both mobile and desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.